Alright, we're back. Okay. Gotta get this unscrewed. Feels like the Loctite's already starting to work. Not by much though. Not enough to hold it. It's alright, we got tools for holding it. We're at barely just over 3 inches. Let's see if that's enough distance to do what I need. Alright. Got a little washer. Here's a nut. Okay, I'll use a 10mm banjo bolt washer for brake. Little thin washer and a nut. That's how I seal that hole up pretty good. And we'll see if there's enough height here. And we're a little stubby on that. A little shallow on that dimension. Back this up a little bit. Get close to that 1/8 number we actually need. Probably undoing the Loctite on that by doing that, I bet. Yeah, it's still got some in there doing something, but every time you move it, you break it free. Hopefully it'll reset. Okay. Now we got enough anyway. Okay, I had to take that off because I'll be able to put this on. It's a chain shoe. It's the old style one that takes a flat spring on it. That is not working for some reason. Way too thick for whatever reason. So for whatever reason, this is too damn thick all around here. You can see where it's been ground on, so something's going on, I'm not sure what. And this is a little loose in here too. Oh, well that explains that. It's broke. It's missing this piece that goes in there. It's a good thing I didn't put this in my bike. This is not a very good one. Okay, this thing's a piece of crap. I need to get rid of this thing. I need to get rid of this camera on my way too. Alright, yeah, that would have been a pain in the ass. These are welded in, these clips, and this one's broken. So this thing's a piece of junk until I weld another piece into that. Which we're not doing today. That thing's garbage. Where's the other one we had? As usual, every damn thing is in my way over here. Move this goddamn thing 100 fucking times. Tired of moving this shit out of my fucking way. Until I'm getting frustrated. That thing's a piece of crap. Get rid of it. Where's my other one? That's my old one, which is going to go back in there in a minute. There's another one somewhere. I remember seeing it. Got a new pad on it. There it is. Okay, that's that one. Have to start screwing anymore. I'm putting the good one back on it. Okay, put on my damn wire. Shit out of my way. Time to screw on this crap. Spend a damn week fixing every little knick-knack shit in the damn line. I got one day to get the damn bike together. Okay, that one fits fine. That's the one that came out of it. This one doesn't fit, so screw this crap. Okay, we're putting the old one back in. Easy decision to make. This battery dead already. I don't know why these batteries don't last more than a half hour. They're supposed to last for 5. Okay, old shoe goes back. Good thing I found that out before I got too involved. Hey, works like it's supposed to. Imagine that. It's already broken in and everything. Okay. Chain it. Pull that damn thing back straight. Okay, there, some weight on it. The length stretched out a little bit. Okay. It takes 10 minutes to put together. We're on hour number 15, I think. Okay, where's my little lock tab at? Missing, of course. Why wouldn't it be? Here earlier, until everything went to the ground. Yep, about the size of it. Missing. Great. Where'd it go? There's a missing wrench. There's the lock tab. Trying to get away. Not that I really use this damn thing anyway. Same deal, you don't tighten it very much because we gotta get back into this thing. Enough of that. Put a lot of drag and everything. I'm used to having so much drag. That chain's pretty stiff with all that greasy oil crap on there. Oh great, that's broken too. Oh well, fine. It'll work. It's a working. Okay, custom compressor, short side, wide side. Stock spring in the middle. Stick it on there. Alright, long bolts go down on the wrong side. Short side's on the bottom. Long side on the top. If you go in there a little way on the springs, or on the threads I mean, you have to go full depth, at least going over 1/4 inch. Be smart. Otherwise, they might reward you by having to be needing to be repaired. 1/2 inch doesn't work. 7/16 works a lot better. I'll go with about 1/8 of an inch from the bottom. It's plenty. Sure everything's where it belongs. Tighten that up. Let's see here. Is it this one? Nope. That one. Alright, let's jam that down. I'm not sure what you're seeing here. So you get these studs to go in here. We got one broken one already in the bottom. So use a screwdriver to line them up. Trying to get a little tap. Find the ones that are the problems. This side's being a problem. Set that one right there is. Yeah. Move the damn thing a little further so I can get to it. Here we go. Bingo, not a problem anymore. There you go, they all went in now. You put your 1/4 inch nuts on there. That's the one that's loose. So just bring these in a little bit. Height of the nut works good. Okay. And the one that's broken, when it's loose. So you put a little tension on that. Should pull itself in. So this is the problem one right here. Okay, they're all tight. This one's not quite in all the way. That's probably because the damn thing's broken from the weld and not all in, so it'll probably loosen up and cause a problem down the road, but for now it is what it is. Now we can loosen it up and see if we can make it wedge different. Doesn't appear to want to move. Appears to be jammed in the hole where it is, so if that's where it wants to be, it's there. Don't over torque these because it just warps the backing plate in the back, so there you go. Now if you want to see if the clutch will release, you can tighten this up a little bit. The clutch should release. This one's not releasing because it wants to be a pain in the ass today. There it goes. Not moving very easily though. There's very, very little releasing going on. Usually that's because it bottoms out against that clutch gear in there, which I shortened up earlier.